Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. So we have very less number of students. Let's wait for a few more minutes. So let's start. First of all, let me quickly share the syllabus. Give me 1 second, please. Hello. So I hope you're able to see the screen which I have shared. So in the last class, we have studied about product and product line decisions. And today we would be studying about product decisions. Sorry, branding decisions. All right. So let me quickly share the Word document with you. I hope you are able to see the screen. So today we are going to study about branding decisions. So before we proceed, anyone would like to give their inputs, like what is their understanding by this term brand? Anyone? ब्रांड से आप क्या समझते हैं? Anyone would like to give their input? It's completely fine if you are completely wrong. किसी को ब्रांड का मतलब समझ नहीं आता? ब्रांड आपने सुना होगा, आई बिलीव, कि ये इस ब्रांड का प्रोडक्ट है, इस ब्रांड का सर्विस है. Anyone? Okay, let's start. So branding is basically the representation of information linked with the product or service. So in layman terms, you can say किसी भी कोई भी प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस जब भी मार्केट में आती है, so there is a representation of the information that what is that product or service is going to deliver to the prospective customers, right? We can take example of this Starbucks, you can say, or CCT. So they are someone who is into the this cafe thing. मतलब अगर आप Starbucks का नाम सुनेंगे तो automatically you would be recalling this thing, that this is somewhere where you would be having coffee or other snacks. Okay. All right. So what I'm trying to say here is there is a recognition which is associated with the brand of any product or service. And if you remember in the last class of us, we have studied about positioning, that how Colgate and Xerox has made a kind of image in the mindset of customers, that whenever they hear this brand, they would be automatically recalling the product associated with it, isn't it? जब भी हम कुछ फोटो कॉपी करते हैं तो we don't say like typically in typically we don't say that we are going to have this thing photocopied, we say Xerox करना है. So in the other way, the brand has positioned their product portfolio in the mindset of the consumers, in other words. So यहाँ पे एक तरह से अगर मैं आपको बताऊं, ब्रांडिंग का हमारा इंटेंशन ही यही होता है, to make an impression, or you can say to represent the information linked with the product or service. कोई भी आज के टाइम में we live in a very globalized world, you can say, where they are multinational brands which have their recognition, which actually have made their recognition in the entire world. We can take example of this Domino's Pizza, or you can say KFC as well. All right. So in the very beginning, they were they initially started their business in the US. If I talk about this KFC, might be you are aware of the full form of this KFC. It is Kentucky Fried Chicken. So Kentucky is basically a province, or you can say a state in US. It's a location in US, another way. It's in Ohio. So there, this brand has started its roots, in other way you can say, and eventually they have created a brand which is so prominent, you can say, that it has captured the entire market of fried chicken industry in other way. All right, so this is the intent what I'm trying to say. The main agenda of brand is to set a recognition in the mind of consumer, that see, this is something, this is our brand, and we are going to offer this service or product to the consumer. And if I talk about in the reference of Domino's or Pizza Hut, जब भी आप इनका नाम सुनोगे, one thing that will click on your mind is the pizza, or the way different things that these companies offer to the consumer. All right. So are you getting like what is the intent of this brand thing? If someone is able to acknowledge, आपको आवाज आ रही है मेरी? And if you're able to understand any doubt, if you have, you can ask, because this is something very important.
सर नो डाउट सर, आपकी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ, क्या कह रहे हो? मेरी आवाज क्या आ रही है?
आ रही है सर आपकी आवाज.
Okay. So I was talking about the brand. Like brand, यहाँ पे अगर आप स्क्रीन में देखो, so there is a term that is called brand equity. Brand equity is basically the benefits, or you can say the recognition that is associated with the product or service, or the brand, in other words. Equity से एक तरह से उसका recognition मान सकते हैं, that how well that brand is. If I talk about this Apple thing, they have a very good brand equity in terms of loyalty, you can say. यहाँ पे जैसे आप देख पा रहे हैं कि they have a very niche marketing principles. They are going to implement these products only for the premium segment, and which has eventually results this customer loyalty. जैसे मैंने आपको previous class में बताया था that how people who are purchasing Apple, they are somehow being a loyal customers to the brand, irrespective of the illogical products that they are launching nowadays. What they are doing, like iPhone 13 का आप देखिए, they have just made a minor changes in the product portfolio. कैमरे का शिफ्ट इधर कर दिया बस उन्होंने, और लॉन्च कर दिया, एंड पीपल आर बाइंग इट. इट इज नॉट लाइक इट इज नॉट मेकिंग सेल्स. वो बात अलग है. देयर अदर प्रोडक्ट लाइन, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था, प्रोडक्ट की विड्थ होती है एक, उसी के अंदर कितने उन्होंने सेग्रीगेशन दिए हैं. if you remember the last class, I have made you understand that what is width and within the line. So they have increased the width. iPhone mini है, iPhone 12 है, Pro है. वो बात अलग है कि Mini is not able to make that much level of sales as compared to the normal 11 or 12, you can say. But here we can see that the product line, or you can say the brand equity that Apple has made, is way different if we compare with the other players in the market. All right. So we can take this Apple thing as a very crucial example, or you can say the relevant example when I talk about this brand equity. All right. So the next is the next question is, if I ask why there is a need of branding decision, brand की क्यों जरूरत है? Anyone who would like to give their input, like why they feel there is a need of this brand thing to be in the picture? Anyone? If someone is able to give their um, thoughts, why do you consider that brand, there should be a brand which should be there in the market? Anyone would
Sir,
like to
to
give their
increase the sale.
sales? Okay, and how come this sales would be? कैसे मतलब, you were saying to increase the sales. सेल्स करने के लिए अगर हम किसी प्रोडक्ट को अनब्रांडेड लॉन्च करें तो उसकी सेल्स नहीं होगी, यू मीन टू से, और व्हाट?
बट सर एक
आपकी आवाज बीच में कट गई. Someone else is able to hear her? I believe there's a network issue from her side.
सर प्रोडक्ट की वैल्यू भी बढ़ाने के लिए ब्रांडिंग यूज होती है.
Okay. Yeah, we can say, in other words, you're absolutely correct. But in other words, we can say that it will branding, introducing a brand thing to a product would increase the sales figure of it, and it will help in optimum usage of the resources, in other words. All right. And if you are going to make a brand, eventually it will help to create a brand equity. And brand equity का मैं जब भी अगर आपको जिक्र करूं इसका, जैसे मैंने आपको लास्ट क्लास में बताया था, ब्रांड पोजीशनिंग का एक जो कॉन्सेप्ट बताया था, टू क्रिएट अ माइंडसेट, to create a perception in the mindset of the consumer. Ultimately, every organization or every company in the market is having an intent that they should be in the mindset of the consumer. Then only they would be able to make very progressive growth, you can say. Right. So the next is, so I have just explained that why there is a need of this brand. All right. So it builds the level of trust. Suppose if you are going to purchase something generic, say in the sense मैं आपको बताऊं कि आटा आप ले लीजिए, आटा का एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. कोई भी एक लोकल वेंडर होगा, he is having this traditional chakki thing on his shop, and there is a full-fledged brand of ITC, that is Ashirwad. So majorly we can witness this thing that people will prefer which is branded, because people would be so reliable, like, see, this is from that brand, so we can trust it. जो एक trust factor होता है, this is very you can say attached, or you can say um, attached is a correct word. एक तरह से ब्रांडिंग का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, इसकी वजह से there is a level of reliability comes into the picture. कोई भी आप अगर आप फोन लेने जाएंगे, you would be preferring a good brand. Why? Because you trust that brand, and that trust is built up with the reference of time. It is not like कि अपने एक दिन में ही trust बना लिया. एप्पल ने जो, एप्पल या सैमसंग की मैं अगर मैं बात करूं, तो they have created this level of trust with the reference of time. They have initially launched this iPhone 1, then eventually 2, 3, 4, So now we are at 13th generation, you can say, right? And the next one is how to select the name of the brand. So see, branding का अगर हम बात करें, and if I talk about the name selection, it is very important to select the name of the brand. Otherwise, if कोई company मान लीजिए, if they have selected a brand name which is very unusual एक तरह से मान लीजिए, you can take an example of this MI thing. The main name or the parent company or the parent branding of this MI is Xiaomi. So maybe you have witnessed this thing. People in India don't normally address that company with the name of Xiaomi. So what they did is they have specially launched a branding for Indian geography, that is Redmi, which is oriented to the budget friendly consumer market. All right, so this is the practical implication of the brand name that should be selected with the reference of the geography or the consumer behavior of any geographic location. In other words, आपको अपना brand name उसी हिसाब से रखना पड़ेगा when in accordance to the need of the consumer, or you can say as per the consumer behavior traits, right? So आप जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, Redmi का एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं. Redmi is a product lineup which is basically available in Indian context only, or Indian geography only. But if you talk about the availability of product, the same product in Chinese territory, it is having a different name, slightly different name. All right. So the next one is how this branding should be structured. स्ट्रक्चर का आपको यहाँ पे एक डायग्राम है, उससे आपको प्रॉपर्ली समझ में आ जाएगा. See, this is the structure, you can say. The first one is brand positioning. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, हमारा ब्रांड का इंटेंट यही होता है कि वो एक पोजीशन क्रिएट करे in the mindset of the consumer in a very layman terms, and for that it gives the attribute, benefits and belief and values. It follows basically that what the product or service is going to offer. Suppose you are going to purchase a car, right? Swift is something in the market जिसका आप नाम लेते ही आप समझ जाएंगे कि it's a car of Maruti Suzuki. So you can conclude, in other words, that Swift is a brand of Maruti Suzuki, right? And if I talk about the other trims में आप तरह से variant ले सकते हैं, LXI, VXI, maybe you are aware of these things, जो भी उसके variant आते हैं. So this is something which comes under the umbrella of this brand positioning, that how these brands are making their product familiar with the consumer, right? Give me 1 second, please. Anyone is having any doubt, you may ask. The next one is benefits. That suppose some organization is launching a brand, it would be try to showcase their benefits with respect to the other competitor, you can say. We can take example of Maruti Suzuki again here. Maruti Suzuki has a USP, universal selling point, in other words, is that the cars that they made is meant to be very mileage friendly, in other way. Maybe people have heard of this thing. So here we can see that the brand or the company has specially showcased this thing, that how our cars are very oriented to the mileage perspective, because see, because they do had this marketing research, you can say that Indian consumers are someone who is least bothered about safety, and they are more concerned about the mileage that they are getting on the daily basis. And what is the logic behind it? Because of the majority of lower income group, in other words, in other ways, you can say, they have studied the market, they have done extensive R&D, and on that basis they have formulated their strategies, which should be as per the requirement of the Indian consumer, in other words. All right. Maybe you are aware of this thing, that most of the cars in India are not with the uh, equipped with the six airbag things. But if I talk about the European countries, it is mandatory to launch cars there with outmost security features. But इंडिया में अगर आपको 2 एयरबैग मिल जाता है, वही it is meant to be like safe car, right? It is not, they are not bothering about the build quality, or you can say the steel which has been used to make those cars. That's a different story. All right. So what I was trying to say here is, I hope this positioning thing is able to understand, like you are able to understand like what this positioning thing is meant in the reference of branding. Any doubt you have, you may ask.
No, sir.
Okay. So next is brand name selection. So selection में जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि कोई भी आप brand launch करते हो, it should be easy to recognize in the other way. अगर आप इंडियन रेफरेंस में कोई एक ऐसा ब्रांड का नाम रख दोगे जो लोग समझ ही ना पाए, और जैसे Xiaomi का एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. Xiaomi कौन लोग, आप कहीं जाइए आउटस्कर्ट्स में इंडिया में, आप बोलोगे Xiaomi का फोन लिया है मैंने, पीपल विल से व्हाट, मतलब there are people who would be saying like ये क्या चीज है ये. So they have made a brand especially for Indian region, you can say, that is Redmi. And Redmi is a derivative of Mi. You can see Red and Mi. So Redmi में ही Mi आप छुपा हुआ है एक तरह से, अगर आप देखोगे तो. All right. So this is the name selection, you can say. It should be familiar, or you can say it should be not very vague with the reference of the geography that where it is going to launch, the other way. All right. And protection, if I talk about this protection thing, protection में आप एक तरह से किसी भी ब्रांड की जो एक इमेज है उसको आपको बचाना पड़ता है. We can take example of this thing, that how Snapdeal was associated with Amir Khan. Maybe you are aware of that story, that how his comment about Indian region, that his wife is not feeling safe in India, has uh, bring down his brand equity in other way, and which eventually has reflected in the Snapdeal as well, because at that time he was the brand ambassador of Snapdeal. And you won't believe that by his statement only, the stocks of Snapdeal have gone down, just because he was the brand ambassador of that Snapdeal. And maybe you're aware, like Snapdeal is still struggling for that instance. So brands have to be very specific when they are going to associate any person, because in the first class of us I have made you understand that how this branding is not all about products and services, it is all about places, people as well, right? So protection, if I say this protection factor of the brand is hampered by that event, you can say, right? So let's move on to the third thing, that is brand sponsorship. Are you aware of this term sponsorship? What do you mean by that? कोई बताएगा मतलब स्पॉन्सरशिप से आप क्या समझते हैं? सुना होगा मे बी आपने, स्पॉन्सर्ड कोई भी इवेंट हो गया, स्पॉन्सर्ड किया है इसने, इसने इस कंपनी ने स्पॉन्सर्ड किया है। एनीवन? आई हैव मैंने आपके सामने एक डायग्राम भी रख दिया। See, sponsorship is basically giving the aid to the brand. यहाँ पे हम एक तरह से इसको देख लेते हैं, कोई भी मैन्युफैक्चरर, ठीक है, जैसे यहाँ पे केलॉग्स एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है। केलॉग्स खुद में ही एक ब्रांड है, राइट, और सोनी के एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं, ठीक है। इट इज द मैन्युफैक्चरर, सोनी इज द मैन्युफैक्चरर एंड which is working for different product line. उनका टीवी है, ब्राविया टीवी है, they have digital cameras as well, right? They once upon a time they had mobile phones as well, but अभी भी है, but it is not that prominent in other way you can say. So here what I am trying to say is that जो ब्रांड का नाम है, मैन्युफैक्चरर ही ब्रांड का नाम इन्होंने डिफाइन किया है, राइट? The brand itself is the sponsor of this manufacturer, you can say. These are correlated. जो ब्रांड है और जो मैन्युफैक्चरर है वो सेम है, राइट? But if I talk about this private brand, you can see this Reliance Fresh, you can say. What they are doing, they are just selling the product and services of different brands. So Reliance का जो फ्रेश है या उनके जो भी एक तरह से जो उनके प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, जो उनके सर्विसेज हैं, इन अदर वर्ड्स, they are selling the goods of different brand, right? So they have created a private brand of themselves, you can say. You can take example of this Flipkart as well, that what they are doing, they are the brokers. Brokers is the other मतलब एक तरह से अलग word हो गया. They are basically the mediators who is bringing down the sellers and customers. And what they are doing, they are selling the products and services of different brands. So here we can see that it is a private brand, you can say, right? Okay, we are getting out of time. Let me quickly share the attendance. We will continue this thing tomorrow, right? It is just about to end. We will continue this thing. This is something we will discuss tomorrow itself. Anyone is having any doubt? Because many people have joined now just for the attendance thing. Sushant is willing to join. Sushant, आपको attendance चाहिए, I believe. That's why you have joined now. Let me quickly share the. If anyone is having any doubt, they may ask. Today it's 25. Okay, anyone who is able to see their roll number, please mark your attendance.
Sir, Anupam 08.
08. Hold on. Okay. Anyone else? Please mark your attendance.
सर सुशांत 039.
सर अमन की लगा देना.
सर जितेंद्र. सर जितेंद्र.
Hold on. रोल नंबर बताओ अपना रोल नंबर. अच्छा, रोल नंबर से दिखेगा नहीं. हाँ,
41.
जितेंद्र, स्क्रीन पे देख लो अपना, ये है ना Anyone else?
सर संदीप भारद्वाज।
Sir Vikrant 43.
Hold on, Sandeep Bhardwaj.
Sir Sushant.
Sushant, you joined the class in the last moment.
उमेश सर उमेश
Sushant, एक मिनट।
सर पहले भी की थी, वो नेटवर्क इशू था इसलिए लीव हो गई थी।
ओके ओके, नो इशू नो इशू। कौन बता रहा था और रोल नंबर?
41
Sir Vikrant 43.
उमेश इज हियर। उमेश है क्या यहाँ पे?
यस सर
सर शुभम कुमार 35 सर।
विक्रांत इज हियर। विक्रांत ओके।
31
सर 38।
एक मिनट
सर 36।
प्रथम है यहाँ पे? प्रथम,
यस सर
ओके।
29
और कौन बोल रहा था?
35 सर।
टू लगा तो दिए मैंने।
38 सर।
एक मिनट ये आखिर में कौन बोल रहा है टू? मैं पहले पूछ रहा था, आपने बताया नहीं पहले तो।
अजय सर 2।
स्क्रीन पे देखा करो यार, स्क्रीन पे देखा करो आप लोग। अब एक मिनट रुको, ये करना पड़ेगा। हाँ अब बताना जिसका, आप स्क्रीन पे देखो प्लीज, स्क्रीन पे देख के बताओ मुझे किसका नहीं लगा हुआ।
Sir 43 Vikrant. 44 Vikrant.
विक्रांत ओके, लगा दिया विक्रांत मैंने।
सर 38।
अजय
38 ओके। एनीवन एल्स?
36।
36
सर दीपांशु।
दीपांशु यार ऊपर नहीं बताया आपने जब मैं ऊपर था। यहाँ जो स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है, स्क्रीन पे देखो आप लोग, जिसको नहीं दिख रहा है अटेंडेंस
सर
प्लीज
29
सर दीपांशु।
लगा दिया दीपांशु मैंने। एक मिनट
सर 38 लगा दिया।
एक मिनट। और कोई यहाँ पे कुछ बोल रहा था, कोई रोल नंबर बोल रहा था कोई। किसका रोल नंबर था यहाँ पे आसपास?
सर 2 लगा दिया।
स्क्रीन पे देखो ना, स्क्रीन पे। अजय बोल रहा हूँ ना आप? लगा दिया मैंने।
ओके सर।
सर 38 लगा दिया।
Anyone who is left with the attendance thing? 38 हाँ लगा दिया सोनम मैंने। I believe सबका अटेंडेंस हो गया है। Everyone please check again.
सर सुनिधि शर्मा।
सुनिधि आपका नहीं लगा। Okay, please check everyone. This will end soon. ठीक है? I hope everyone has marked their attendance. So we will meet in the next class. Thanks for your time.